PCN is excited for our new contributor to the pet health segment. It's Duxbury Animal Hospital with owner Dan Hebert.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Hebert, owner of Duxbury Animal Hospital. I'm here to contribute to PCN's Pet Health Series. And today we're going to be talking about leptospirosis. This is something that some people have heard about, some haven't, but basically anybody that owns a dog should know about it. It's a very common bacterial disease. It's been in the United States since before it was the United States. And it's very commonly passed to our pets. And in towns like Duxbury and the surrounding areas where there is a lot of wildlife, it's becoming a bigger and bigger problem as the wildlife is moving back in. It's a bacteria that's passed in the urine, and pretty much every animal around us carries it, squirrels, deer, whatever. And once it gets into the ground, it'll either stay in wet soil, get into puddles, and the way it gets into the body is through little cuts and scrapes in the feet. It doesn't have to be licked up or anything like that. It actually has a high affinity for iron in the blood, and the smallest cut will allow it to get in through any kind of damp soil or wetness. Once in the body, it will infect the liver and the kidneys, and when it does that, the body will try to clear it and will actually cause liver and kidney failure. These are two things that are very hard to catch because in the early stages, they just look like general sickness. Animals will have fevers or appetite will be off, and unless you run a full blood panel, it is missed. If it's missed for long enough, the required hospitalization that can be very expensive. If it gets into the kidneys, it will require $10,000 to $15,000 of dialysis to clear it out. So it's definitely something we should be aware of and be vaccinating for. There are vaccines for it. They're included with the distemper vaccines. They're done annually, and it's something that really every dog in the South Shore area should be getting every year. Thank you very much for watching PCN's Pet Health segments.